Some bicycle pedals are installed using Allen keys or hex wrenches, some using spanners, some quick release pedals extra thin spanners. Wear gloves or the chain ring or chain may cause injuries. I suggest putting your armpit on the saddle to secure the bicycle. Your target pedal's crank should be put forward for a good easy leverage. For the right side, use a bottle cap opening anti-clockwise motion to remove. However, the left side is the opposite. Use a bottle cap closing clockwise motion to remove. If you use anti-clockwise rotation, the pedal will be locked even more tightly. In other words, if the spanner is facing backwards, always push down to remove pedals. Typical pedals have L and R written for left and right identification. And of course, installation is just the opposite, but I have a small trick, which is like this. See it yourself. Finally, tighten the pedals, but not too tight, not too violently. When it's tight, it's tight. Thanks for watching.